spend some time with me and grab that sugar-free Jello. It's the raspberry kind. I love Jello. Makes me mellow. Right on. We're making something called a Foamy Peach Snack. What's that, you say? Grab a small pan. You need a can of sliced peaches and 3/4 cup of the juice. Add a little water if you can't reach that amount. We gotta bring this liquid to a boil. You're gonna need to grab a blender. Pour that boiling juice into the blender. And that sugar-free raspberry Jello packet goes in too. Blend on low for 1 minute. Add 1/2 cup of ice cubes. We're gonna blend it on low again. Add those peaches from the can, and we're gonna blend this at high speed until the ice is all melted. Pour it into some dishes and allow it to chill out in the fridge until set, about an hour. Foamy Peach Snack. It's very stiff. Let's try it. Ooh, listen to that sizzle. Great texture. It's very exciting. I think I'll give it an 8 out of 10. It's fruity and fizzy. I love Jello. I accidentally broke my neighbor's rocket. I guess I owe him an Apollo G. Peace, man.